Hi there, you're watching Market Glance, an overview of the top stories which may affect your trades as reported by investing.com and brought to you by Dukascopy TV. The dollar rose to its highest level in 13 years against the yen on Friday and gained ground against the euro after a stronger than expected US employment report boosted the outlook for higher interest rates. The dollar rallied against the other major currencies following the release of the data. Dollar-yen hit highs of 125.85, the most since June 2002. The pair ended the week with gains of 1.08%. Euro-dollar fell to lows of 110.50 before pulling back to 111.13 in late trade, still down 1.11% for the day. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback's strength against a trade-weighted basket of 6 major currencies, was up 0.93% to 96.38 late Friday. In the week ahead, investors will be focusing on revised data on the first quarter growth from Japan and the Eurozone, while reports on Eurozone industrial production will also be closely watched. Shares in Sydney fell on Monday as China reported disappointing import data, though exports were slightly less downbeat than expected in an overall mixed regional session. The S&P fell 0.11%. In Greater China, the Hang Seng Index rose 0.12%, and the Shanghai Composite was up 0.60% as the trade data signaled a continuation of current easy monetary policy. China says May exports fell 2.8%, less than the 5% drop seen, while imports dropped 18.1%, much more than the slide of 10.7% expected. The data was crucial as a pointer for the economy in the second quarter, following a poor first 3 months. On the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold futures for August delivery hit a session low of $1,162.10 before settling at $1,168.10 by close of trade. Also on the COMEX, silver futures for July delivery ended Friday's session at $15.98 a troy ounce, down 0.74%. Prices fell to $15.93 earlier Friday, the weakest level since May the 1st. On the week, silver prices tumbled 71.1 cents or 4.29%. And elsewhere in metals trading, copper for July delivery inched up 0.5 cents or 0.2% on Friday to settle at $2.70 a pound after hitting a daily low of $2.67, a level not seen since April 23rd. Crude oil futures rebounded from earlier losses to rise sharply on Friday after data showed that the number of rigs drilling for oil in the US fell again last week. The drop marks the 26th straight week of declines. On the New York Mercantile Exchange, crude oil for delivery in July jumped 1.95% to end the week at $59.13 a barrel. NYMEX oil prices fell to $56.83 early in the day, the lowest level since May 28th. For the week, New York traded oil futures declined 1.94%. And elsewhere on the ICE Futures Exchange in London, Brent for July delivery hit a session low of $60.94, a level not seen since April 15th, before turning higher to close at $63.31, up 2.06%. And despite Friday's gains, London traded Brent futures lost 3.43% on the week. And that's all for Market Glance. Thanks for watching and keep tuning in to Dukascopy TV for our regular updates.